Well, first day of corn harvest 2021. And today, as you can see, we're using trucks. We're going over to what we call across the river, which is several miles off that way. And usually that's the last thing we do, but this year it's going to be the first thing we do. We just finished up with beans over there last night, and today we're going to do the corn over there, and we'll be done across the river. So we'll get pulled out here on the road, and we will head over across the river. Take it a little easy on this girl. I just got her started. They just got the corn head on the combine, so I probably have a little bit of time, but need to get over there before too long. So let's get going. And my cousin's actually home today. He'll be driving the other truck. I don't know if he's already over there or not. One good thing about when we're doing corn is you don't have to sit around very much. It's go, go, go. Especially where we're going today, because it is a few miles away, and so it's gonna be go time. Let me get through town here and we'll get over there. And away we go. And coming right up here on the left, that building there, if you've watched my other videos, you've already heard this, but I think it's probably been a couple years ago. I went to school there, through elementary anyway. Grades 1 through 6 were in that building right there. It's not a school anymore. It's kind of just an event center, but anyway, I gotta shift gears and get going, so I'll catch you in a minute. And here we are. Just got started here in this field. I don't know if you can see them in my mirror. I'll get out here in just a second. They're having a little trouble with the combine. I'm not sure what's going on. It's leaking out some corn from somewhere. I'm not sure what they're... Didn't get in on the whole conversation, but yeah, here we are in this field.
We're gonna have to do something different. This isn't gonna work.
We don't farm this out here. We did 1 year when we took this farm over, and it's just too wet out here, so this doesn't get anything in it. But get out here. See them over the top of my truck. They're coming back this way. They'll get this headland off, and then they'll start in on the field. I guess I'm parked in the right spot. I don't know. About the only place I can park right now. Anyway, we'll get going here shortly. I mean, we are going, but we're not going very good yet. Also, Jody is going to be making, or she's supposed to be making, a video on the Fox Shop barbecue channel, the Fox Shop BBQ, which I really think we need to change the name of that, because she's not really doing anything barbecue wise or griddling wise or anything like that. She's going to be making something in the kitchen, but Anyway, you can hop over and check out that video. I'll link the channel down in the description below. I have a few things out there, but we're gonna get going on that, especially after we get done with harvest. We're gonna be putting on anhydrous shortly after harvest. So after all that's done, her and we're gonna really get going on that channel. But she wants to, and it's the first video she's ever made by herself. She's a little bit nervous about doing it. I said, just do it, just put something out there. So she'll do okay. Gonna be a warm day today. It's supposed to be in the, I think the lower to maybe middle 80s. Do have a chance of rain coming. I can't remember what days. I don't even know what day today. I think today's Friday. Yes, today is Friday, and I think there's a chance of rain Sunday or Monday, something like that. Then it sounds like a pretty good chance of rain on I believe Wednesday. I think it's 80% chance on Wednesday. So we're probably going to catch a little break midweek. But in corn, it's going to take a decent rain to keep us out of corn very long. But if we happen to get like an inch of rain, or if we get a couple inches of rain, that'll keep us out of the field for a couple of days. Inch of rain probably keep us out of the field for a day, maybe two. I don't know. It did rain not too long ago. The ground's a little wet. I'm just kind of rambling right now. They're having a little issue with the combine. Kind of hard to explain. They're taking some covers off, see if something is plugged up. I think from all the weeds that were in the beans and that kind of thing. Just not doing what it's supposed to do. Like I said before, we'll get going here. I'm using my old camera here. I left Jody with the new one, so we'll see how this turns out. Well, we're making a little headway here. I just got back from up at the elevator and got this little bit here done, and then he just broke through over here. Not sure if you can see him or not if I climb up here. Possibly. Nothing in my truck yet. Down there a little ways, and the auger wagon, it gets full, and then he has to go out and get a little bit more to top off the back, and then I'm out of here. The other truck just took off shortly after I got here. Not sure what it's yielding. From what I've heard them talking on the radio, they right about 200, I think. So not doing too bad. And this field has some ponds in it too, usually, and there's actually corn growing in those ponds. I just heard them talking about that on the radio, that there's one pond out there, first time they can ever remember that corn has grown where there's usually been a pond, and all the corn gets drowned out. But so far so good. this other field, where we were was, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 miles, I don't know, something like that off that direction. Just got into this field. It is it's about 20 to 7. I'm getting my truck filled up for the second time over here. Probably gonna take this into the elevator, unload it, come get another one. I can probably get another one in there, and then after that probably come get another load, and that'll be it for the day. Combine said it was making 300 bushel the acre. The field we did earlier, and now I don't remember off the top of my head, I think it made 239, 249, one of those, I think. So it's doing really good. I gotta go. And he's already getting filled again in the auger wagon. Corn is really good. We're discussing earlier, I think we may haul to town here for a couple days, just for the fact that if corn on the other side of the river over there is even better, and if everybody is having really good corn like this, which it sounds like they are, may have a storage issue. So instead of going and filling our own bins up right now, we may haul some to town. It's gonna get dark here pretty soon, and pretty good chance of rain. I just can't remember. I think there's now a 90% chance on Wednesday, and 40 to 60 or something like that Sunday night into Monday. I don't know, it is what it is, and we'll do what we can do. So not in a real big hurry to get this into town, and being that it's getting dark out, I think I'm going to end this video right here. I feel like this hasn't been a very good video, and the darn farming videos just aren't getting many views anyway, but that's okay. But if you did like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Comments go down below. Hit that little subscribe button and the notification bell. Also go over and check out the Fox Shop Barbecue channel, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.